Today again we are doing class 9 revision chapter. Okay, so first question number 1, prove that 1 by 2 plus root 3 plus 2 by root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 minus root 5 equal to 0. So how to prove this one? You see, solution, left hand side. Whenever so that, prove that, you have to write left hand side and right hand side. All right, so left hand side is 1 by 2 plus root 3 plus 2 by root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 minus root 5. Okay, now how to prove? You see, first you to rationalize the denominator. This is in the form of a plus b, so you have to multiply it by, like before, a minus b. As you multiply the denominator by 2 minus root 3, numerator also to multiply by 2 minus root 3. Okay, plus here also same. This is also in the form of a minus b, so to multiply by a minus b. Here a means root 5, a plus b, sorry, a plus b. A means root 5, b means root 3. Okay, as you multiplied denominator by root 5 plus root 3, numerator also to multiply by the same number. Okay, plus 1 by this one 2 minus root 5. This is also in the form of a minus b, so to multiply it, to rationalize it, so to multiply it by a plus b. A means 2, b means root 5. Okay, as you multiply the denominator by root 5, numerator also to by multiply by 2 plus root 5. Understood, no? As you multiply the denominator by 2 plus root 5, you must multiply numerator also by 2 plus root 5. Then apply formula, a minus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b, so it is a square minus b square plus 2 will remain as it is, root 5 plus root 3, a minus b into a plus b, so formula will be your a square minus b square plus 2 plus root 5 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay, square and root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel, square and root cancel. So 2 minus root 3 by 2 to the 4 minus 3 plus 2 into root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3 plus 2 plus root 5 by 2 to the 4 minus 5. 2 minus root 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1 plus 2 into root 5 plus root 3, 5 minus 3 0 2, 2 cancel. Okay, plus 2 plus root 5 by 5 minus 4 equal to 1, 5 is greater, so negative sign. Alright, no? Then 1 meaningless in the denominator, so we'll write as it is, 2 minus root 3, root 5 plus root 3, minus into plus minus 2, minus into plus minus root 5. Okay, negative root 5, positive root 5 cancel, positive root 3, negative root 3 cancel, negative 2, positive 2 cancel, equal to 0, equal to right hand side. Hence proved, PRO VED. Okay. Question number 2. Taking root 3 equal to 1.732 and root 2 equal to 1.414, find the approximate values of the following. Number 1, 1 by root 3 minus root 2, and question number 2, 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, so how to find? Let me show you one by one. 1 by root 3 minus root 2. Values of root 3 and root 2 are given, but you will not put that now. Okay, you will not put in denominator. First you rationalize, then it will become easy. A minus b. This is in the form of a minus b, so to multiply by a plus b. Okay, the denominator is in the form of a minus b, so to multiply it by a plus b. As you multiply the denominator by root a plus root 3 plus root 2, so numerator also you multiply by the same, root 3 plus root 2. Okay, na? Then a minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square. Numerator will remain as it is. Square root cancel, square and root cancel. So root 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus 2. Root 3 plus root 2, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 1 in the denominator we never write, it is meaningless. Okay, so you write that it is root 3 plus root 2. After that put the value of root 3. Root 3 equal to 1.732 plus root 2 equal to 1.414. Then add it. 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 1 4, 7 plus 4 11, 1 in hand 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. After point 1 2 3 1 2 3. I think okay now. Let me see. 2 6 4 7 plus 4 11 1. Yes, in hand 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. Okay, now this is the answer. Alright, this is the answer. Now solution to question number 2 2. Okay, question number 2 2. Solution. 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, same as before. First you rationalize it. It is in the form of a plus b, so to multiply it by a minus b. Clear? As you multiply denominator by root 3 minus root 2, numerator also you multiply by the same. Okay, from the a plus b into a minus b, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Root 3 minus root 2. Square and root cancel, square root cancel. 3 minus 2, 2 root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. Okay, and then 2 into root 3 minus root 2, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Same as before. 1 in the denominator we don't write, it's meaningless, so you write like this. After that you put the value of root 3. Value of root 3 is your 1.732 minus value of root 2 is your 1.414. Okay, then you subtract it. Take 1 12. 12 minus 4 is your 8. 12 minus 4 8. Here remain 2. 2 minus 1 is your 1. Then 7 minus 4 is your 3. 1 minus 1 0, no need to write. Point. After point 1 2 3 1 2 3. You may write this 0 or you may not write. Okay. Then 2 8 just 16 6 in hand 1. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3. 2 3 is 6.200. This is the answer. All right. So today's last question. Okay. Find the perimeter and area of a plank of size 300 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Plank. Here plank given. Plank means the shape of the plank is always rectangular. Remember it. The shape of the plank is always rectangular. It is a rectangular shape. Clear? So to find the perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. So solution, you see how to solve. Here size given 300 by 30 centimeter. So this is your length, this is your breadth. So here L means length. Okay, L length equal to 300 centimeter and breadth equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore first to find perimeter. Therefore perimeter of plank, PLNK, plank, formula 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter of plank, means rectangle. Okay, perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula. Put the value 2, L value 300 plus B value 30. 2, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 3 3, and then 3. That means 330 centimeter. Multiply by 2, 2 0 is 0, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the plank. Okay, again we have to find area and again area of plank. Plank means rectangle. Remember it. Plank, area of plank, rectangular shape, so rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length is your 300 into 30. 1 0 2 0 3 0. So 1 2 3 0, right? 1 0 2 3 zeros. Okay. 3 3s are 9 centimeter square. This is the